What is a power of attorney and what does it do? Good morning, everybody. My name is Josh Key. I'm the owner of Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. Before we begin with today's video, if you have questions about estate planning or probate and wish to speak to an attorney for free, you can go schedule a strategy session at keylawllc.com. We'd be happy to speak with you and try to help you with your issue. On with the show. So what is a power of attorney and what does it do? A power of attorney is an agreement between you and another party to act on your behalf in the event that you're not able to do so yourself. That person that you contract with is called an agent or an attorney in fact, and you're basically granting them power to manage your affairs in the event that you become incapacitated or you're not able to make decisions for yourself. There's 4 areas that you need to be aware of in regards to powers of attorney. Obviously, you have financial and medical powers of attorney. Financial and medical are just like it sounds. Financial deals with your assets, your accounts, things of that nature, and it allows an agent to act on your behalf with those issues, write checks to pay bills, things of that nature, to just kind of keep your finances running. The medical side is just like that. The agent is able to make healthcare decisions, end-of-life decisions for you in the event that you're incapacitated or you're not able to do so. Now, inside those 2 little areas, you have 2 types. You have durable, which means that it's ongoing or lasts indefinitely, and you have springing, which means there has to be a condition. Durable powers of attorney is typically what I write for my clients. So the minute that it's signed, that agent has the ability to act as a power of attorney right then and there, whether you're incapacitated or not. A springing power of attorney is different because you must prove that you cannot make decisions or that you are in fact incapacitated before the power of attorney documents are able to be used and valid. So again, that's the springing one. It's very, very hard to use because doctors typically don't like determining and diagnosing someone as incapacitated or unable to make their own decisions. It opens them up to a lot of liability, and they typically avoid it like the plague. So you've got those 4 areas there. Now, who should you choose? This is a very, very important question. Obviously, you want to choose somebody that you trust, but I would also recommend that you choose somebody that has some knowledge in the areas that you're granting the power of attorney. So for instance, my sister is a doctor, fantastic doctor, very, very smart. I would choose her probably to make some medical decisions for me. And my brother does typically well with finances, so he would be a good person as well for the financial power of attorney. So hopefully you have some options like that for you in your family. Now, powers of attorney also make people very nervous because they can cause a lot of damage. These people can make decisions on your behalf that they think is in your best interest, even though you may not agree. Sometimes that can be in the areas of selling property or paying bills or doing different things that maybe you didn't want done. So you have to be very, very careful. That said, all agents have to act under powers of attorney with fiduciary duty. And what fiduciary duty means is it means that they have to act in your best interest at all times. They can't do what they think is best for them. They have to do it for you. So that does bring a little bit of trust and a little bit of accountability into the equation, but it's still something that makes people very, very nervous. So hopefully that gave you a little bit of background on powers of attorney and what they do. They allow somebody to act on your behalf in the event that you can't. You have the financial, the medical, and hopefully you learned a little bit about the differences between durable and springing. If you have questions about this or anything related to estate planning and probate, schedule a strategy session. I swear I can speak this morning at keylawllc.com. We'd be happy to speak to you for free. Again, I'm Josh Key, the owner of Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. If you found this video helpful, like and share. Otherwise, subscribe. Don't miss any further content. Take care.